Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you can see that things have not changed much in the chart of USD CAD because the chart still looks simple, but there are still hidden complications. Okay, so if you look at the chart here, then you can easily see that the market is in uptrend. The chart looks very simple, very beautiful. Uptrend market following a trend line as a support. Whenever market coming down, it is getting support from the trend line, blah blah blah. Okay, everything is beautiful. Okay, but if we look at the present portion of this chart here, okay, then we can easily see that market is struggling. Okay, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. Market is in uptrend, there is no doubt. Okay, I am not doubting anything. What I'm saying is that, okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Previously, whenever USDCAD came down to a support level, you can see that after forming 3-4 candles, it was going up. Here also, after 3-4-5 candles, going up. Here with one touch only, it went up. But here you can see that it has formed more than 15-20 candles. Okay, it has formed more than 15-20 candles, and I'm in the 4 hours chart, and you can still see that there is no sign of going up. Try to understand the market emotion here. Try to understand the market psychology here. This clearly signifies that market does not have the strength. Market does not have the power to go up right now. It's not it. Which means that bulls, yes, bulls are there in the market. This market is bullish. But right now the bulls does not have the strength to take the price upward. And as a result, market is struggling at this particular price level only. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 42% retail traders have taken short position and 57 retail traders have taken long position, which means that 57 retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, whereas 42% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. There is not a huge difference between the short and long position, which clearly signifies that retail traders are also confused whether the market will be going up or whether the market will be going down, because they are also not getting a clear picture whether market will be uptrend or downtrend. Because if you look at other pairs, for example GBP USD, you can see that 81% traders have taken short position, 18% traders have taken long position. For this ODCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, 21% traders have taken short position, 78% traders have taken long position. Therefore, this is a complete different game here. It's not it. But in the case of USD CAD, they are confused. Okay, and you will find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. Clear? So you can see that apart from this trend line, I have also got a line drawn here, and for this we need to go to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of USD CAD, and here you can see that, okay, market is in uptrend, no doubt. But if you look at the candle of from the previous week, if you just focus on the previous candle, then you can see that previous week it tried to go up. Okay, it tried to go up, but it faced severe selling pressure from upside. As a result, price could not sustain, price came down, and ultimately we got a shooting star kind of a pattern. And we get shooting star pattern whenever market faces or witnesses heavy selling pressure from upside. Therefore, the the chart is good and beautiful in the 4 hours time frame or 1 hour time frame. But if we come to the weekly chart, the time frame of the big boys, the big players, so if we come to the weekly chart, we can see that there are some complications in the chart. because previous week when market tried to go up, it faced severe selling pressure. Therefore, the chart may seem beautiful and simple, but it is not. So therefore, this level is important for us because market has failed to cross the level, and it is 1.2600. 1.2600 has become an important level for the market, and you can see that market is struggling with this level only. As market has got a support here, therefore market is not in a mood to go down, but market does not have the strength also to cross this level. Are you getting my point now? Okay. And as we all know, USD CAD has got direct impact from the US dollar chart. This is the DXY chart, and you can see that this chart resembles to the chart of USD CAD. And as we all know, US dollar is also in uptrend. Okay, US dollar is in uptrend, very much bullish. It is also following a trend line as a support here. You can see that whenever dollar came down, it got support from this trend line. But yesterday there was some selling pressure on the US dollar. As a result, okay, it is trading below the trend line right now. But still it is trying to recover here. But still we cannot be sure whether it will be able to regain its position or not. Okay. Therefore, nothing to say about the US dollar. Okay. Overall the chart is still bullish, that we cannot deny. Okay. And right now you're getting the complications. Okay, so first problem is from the weekly chart. The weekly chart is different. Second is the dollar index is trading below the support line, and we are caught in a narrow range here. Therefore I'll just suggest you not to take any position in the market as long as market is trading in this range. Okay, as long as you find market trading in between these lines here, please do not trade in the market. Please avoid trading here. Okay, do not trade. Do not trade. If you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you, please draw these lines. Please draw these lines in the charting platform so that you can understand the chart better and you do not make the mistake. Okay. As long as it is trading in this range, do not trade. That's a thumb rule. Do not forget. And in case it crosses this level, in case it crosses this level, 1.2600 level, just go to the chart of dollar index and just see how the US dollar is doing, because if US dollar is going up, then you can easily hope that USD CAD will also be going up. On the other hand, if you see that USD CAD is somehow going up, but there is no strength or no buying power in the DXY chart or the US dollar chart, then please do not trade, do not go for buy. Okay, if only buy when dollar will be going up. Clear? On the other hand, if it starts going down, if it starts falling, then just look at the position of US dollar. If you see that dollar is also falling, okay, then you can short the market, but if possible, do not short the market, okay, because this market is an uptrend. It will be going against the trend. So only trading opportunity for you right now is wait for the market to cross this level. In case it crosses this level, go to the US dollar chart. If dollar is also supporting or going up, then only go for buy. In case it goes down or crosses the support level, do not short the market. You will be going against the trend. That will be compromising with the trading discipline. Okay, so chart may look simple and beautiful, but many complications are there that you must be aware of. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.